Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil filter on a BMW 3 Series. First, ensure your engine is cool. Gather your new oil filter, fresh O-rings, a suitable wrench, and a drain pan. Now, locate the oil filter housing, which is usually a black cap situated prominently on top of your engine. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, with your 36mm socket wrench, carefully unscrew the oil filter housing cap. It might be a bit tight, so apply steady pressure. Once loose, gently lift the entire cap and old filter assembly out of the engine bay. Be mindful of any dripping oil. Then, remove the old filter element from the cap and discard the used O-rings. Next, take your new, larger O-ring and lubricate it with a little fresh engine oil before installing it onto the filter cap. Don't forget to replace the smaller O-ring on the cap stem as well. Now, firmly press the new oil filter element onto the cap stem until it clicks securely into place. This ensures a proper seal and filtration. Finally, carefully thread the filter cap back into the housing by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once seated, use your wrench to tighten the cap to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is often around 25 Newton meters. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, then check thoroughly for any oil leaks around the housing. Lastly, verify your engine's oil level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.